The future I want to see in travel vlogging is that we get to promote a place and then promote also responsible tourism. Simple principles of leave no trace.
Well, this is not What's Your Story. This is... Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at Baogo what? Baogo, Talamban. Talamban magyapon na dito na. Or Budlaan. Talamban gyapon na. We are here at Talamban. Talamban. We are here at Talamban because we are gonna go for the nth time to Budlaan and then Sirao. Probably it's already around 1 p.m. I guess. Yeah. Is it 1 p.m. already? Yeah. It's 1:18 and I am with the Lodi vloggers and bloggers of Cebu. Kasi Sure Martin.
Sure, peace and love.
Sure Martin Tabanag. Tabanag, and then we have here being in transit. Si pangalan mo si Kev, incredible among guide. Si Aliki. Nga nag-register. So, dili na mo first time dili sa Sirao. Ako, si Kevin, si first time Hana. But first time nilang Martin, and Ali. So, let's see what happens and you know the drill. Kung na yung mga first timers, may focus. Aha, let's go! Goes aside from my soul. So the trek starts now, and the reason why we are trekking right now is okay, mag-shoot me sa What's Your Story segment ni Martin Tabanag. Yeah, ako daw yung guest, so make sure to check that out in his channel. Link in the description box below. So subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel, share peace and love. Yawan hindi ba tayo asa rin gameplay?
Ang sweater na ko. Sino ako ante? Ow.
50 shades of
50 shades of purple.
Four full shades of green.
Ikaw man lang ko.
I think mauna ka day.
Pilidzay na. Yep. Oh, funny. Money ang heart. So we are now here at the part where there's a heart shape heart shape chuba-chuchu sa Budlaan River.
Yes.
How's the trek so far?
So far, it's very far.
Super far.
It's super far. We're actually not yet halfway. So napato sa mga 10%.
Yeah.
Or 10% or 15% sa ito ang i-trek for today. So
At least 9%.
yup. So na progress. Ha. Bes, kira ka diya? Uy, kingdom. Mukhang batong natin sa sud. Anong pinaglalaban natin dyan?
Ang ating shade.
I'm so happy, I can't A few moments later.
Hi, I'm CJ Estrada. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Iligan City. I'm basing in Cebu City right now and I'm a vlogger.
So we are here at Budlaan River, and then we just finished filming the main purpose of our trek, which is our collaboration with Martin Tabanag. Martin Tabanag.
Short docs.
You
What's
should,
your story?
yeah, you should check out Martin's channel for amazing videos and what's your inspirational. What's your story? And
Hope you guys will be inspired by the CJ Estrada story, like MMK version. Hope you guys will learn and inspired by his amazing story, guys. So
okay,
soon, huh?
okay to.
Yes, it's very good. It's very good.
Thank you.
Yes.
Malami! Ha? Uloy! Ako lang yung video.
I remember my ex.
Mabot! Let's go! Mato na good me. Kaya alas 3 na sa hapon. Anya, layo-layo pag yung atuan. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace and love. Let's go!
Ayun.
Musap pa ka?
Dili na.
Musap pa ka?
Sus, bisag balik na dito, ah.
Ayun, CJ.
Guys, no comments.
Kita mo. Kira kali. Sina. Ang dua ka first timer. Kira ko buo sa ilid doon sa nani. O na ni tagam na ni. Pero RG gapon. Walang forever. Ato tak, di ba? Ato sa biyaan kinag RG na sila, RG na.
Gaginawa ko ba? Siga kay ko.
Terus ang naglaso ng ilog.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
And so we need to go home because it's already 6 in the evening and we surely had enough. They had enough. I wonder if they would still try out trekking soon. Ay makataga mo rin Budlaan good, pero let's see if that sparked their adventures. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share peace and love, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.